like Uggs are coming back in style, but for me, I never stopped wearing Uggs, like, ever. Everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Nia G. Today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Ugg Funkette. I'm so excited because Uggs are my literal favorite shoes, I think, ever. Or probably, I don't know. People are like, Uggs are coming back in style, but for me, I never stopped wearing Uggs, like, ever. These are the platform mule, the classic chestnut color. I don't know what happened, but literally the first day of fall, it went from 80 degrees the day before to like freezing, and now it's like a good fall weather. It's like 70-60 degrees every day, so it's like perfect temperature, and I just like, these are perfect. They keep my feet warm. If you're familiar with my channel, I do have my Ugg Pride unboxing somewhere on my channel. It will be linked above and below this video, so make sure you definitely check it out. I love those shoes down. They're pink and blue because they are the trans pride colors, and I literally wear them every chance I get. But let's get into this unboxing. If you are interested in purchasing them, I will link them down below, and I will make a small commission if you decide to purchase them with my link, which will help me and my channel out greatly. And if you guys click the link and purchase, like, I know what kind of content you guys like to see, so make sure you check that out, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Check out all of my other videos. I'm sure you will find something else you love. I do plenty of shoe unboxings, bag unboxings, hauls in general, so you'll want to stay tuned for that, and give this video a thumbs up if you love Uggs as much as I do. Let's get into this unboxing. So here's the box. Classic brown Ugg box, and thank goodness this one just flips up. Sometimes the box like comes off, and I'm just like, I just don't need that kind of stress. So here is the shoe. I know everyone has been loving the classic mini Uggs platform, and I'm like, wasn't crazy about those ones, and a lot of people were wearing them like with skinny pants, and I was like, well, that's why you don't like it. But I do know Bella Hadid did wear that, so I know that's like why it's kind of popular. But look at the shoe. Isn't she gorgeous? Like, it is so fresh. I love the Ugg suede. I did see them in pink, and I'm definitely highly considering getting them in the light pink. But I wanted to just start with the chestnut, fall in love with these, and then get them a little bit later on maybe. Or just get another style of Uggs in the light pink. I don't know. But I do love these. So look at them. We've got the fur and the Ugg strap. I get these in a size 7. I typically get all of my Uggs in a size 7 because they do like stretch and like mold to your feet. But yeah, like, this is the inside. I love a fresh pair of Uggs. One of my friends in college like taught me this hack. If when it's like really cold outside and you want to put your Uggs on and you don't want to be like you just want your feet warm, as soon as you put them on, blow dry them. I have done it very few times, but it does work. It does work, so we know that. But this is the inside of the shoe. So pretty. And we have these. So I really love mules, and I didn't want to get straight up Ugg boots simply because I just didn't think they would go with a lot of my outfits. I'm like super into boot cut and flare jeans and straight leg jeans and all that stuff lately, so I didn't think that it would be like appropriate, you know what I mean? So I wanted to do these because you can see the fur in the front of the shoe. So even if my pants are long and like hanging over the front of my shoe, you can still see the fur, which is really cute. And then these are just like really comfortable. They don't snag too tight. They don't hold on too tight. I'm saying this from experience from my other shoes, because I am going to try these on as well. And I do really like the flat platform. The platform, of course, is just seamless. It's the same bottom as Ugg boots regularly come with, except It's just platform. I believe this is about 2 inches of height. I love platforms. I'm trying to get more into heels, but for now, platforms do it for me. I just love the extra height, and then they just make any shoe look 10 times cooler. Like, I have regular dogs and then I have platform dogs. I have not worn my regular dogs since I got my platform dogs because they just look so cool. And I just also love that with the platform, these don't look like house shoes. Some of the Ugg slippers, people like always love to call them slippers. I do have a pair of slippers actually that like doesn't have this, and it could easily look like a slipper, especially if it didn't have the platform. But with these, they definitely look like outside shoes. I mean, unless you're like super duper extra, which I'm sure there are some people who's wearing these in the house. You know what I mean? No, it just doesn't give that. I love these babies. So cute. They're literally perfect. I'm definitely gonna wear these. Today I have this really cute monochrome brown outfit that I think I'm gonna wear. So I'll probably do it like that, but this would definitely look cute with like a white cream sweater, like something fuzzy, a sweatshirt. And I love the neutral, so I'm gonna be wearing this like all the time. And yeah, so let's see how they look on my feet. So I am wearing ankle pants, like the ankle sweatpants right now. As you can see, my feet fit perfectly. And Uggs, like the bottom of Uggs, like they have a foam material like this. And I'm just like forms to your feet the more that you wear them. So right now they're of course a little bit stiff, but when you're standing and walking around in them all day, it'll definitely feel much more comfortable. They're comfortable already. I just love the fresh fur in them. It literally feels like a blanket, which I love. I'm definitely probably not going to wear these with socks, but if I did do socks with these, I would just do like a cute pair of socks. Like, it would be more for the look and not really necessity, only because like I normally do wear socks with my Uggs when they're boots, but I kind of don't really feel it necessary with these, especially if the back of my foot is out. And when I wear mules, although these do have a strap on them, but I do tend to like take my foot out of the mules, like just cause when I'm wearing them. But they're really cute. They do give me like a nice amount of height, and I already know how to wear and walk in these because I do have another pair of Ugg platform slides. So I'm really excited for that. I know everyone talks about tripping in Uggs and in the Ugg slides and things like that. It's very much a thing, but I have mastered it by just being more mindful, especially since I do wear platform shoes way more now. Take bigger steps. Lift that leg. I don't slide my feet when I walk, but like I will take a small step. Take an actual adult step, okay? Take a big step and you won't be tripping on everything. Okay, these are the Uggs. The fresh suede. I believe these are water resistant now, but definitely recommend spraying them with the Ugg protectant. I've never done it, but I know that's like a huge thing for some people. Also, I probably wouldn't wear these in the rain because the back of my foot is out, but these are them from the top and the side and the front. And here is the back. We've got the brown Ugg strap, elastic. It has a good amount of stretch to it. I'm not gonna pull it. My foot like fit in perfectly, so I didn't have to do any extra tugging to get it on. But this is the platform. So soft, so soft. Perfect for the fall, perfect for the winter. And then put our feet right in here. I just love a fresh pair of Uggs. 10 out of 10. That is all for today's unboxing. I absolutely love Uggs. And make sure you follow me on my LTK or like to know. So want to see how I style these on a daily basis. My LTK is Nia G and it will be linked down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And check out all of my other videos. I'm sure you'll see something you love. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.